My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name na Anthony. Una welcome to First Aid Immigrant Solution. Please, una support una brother ministry. Una click on the subscribe button wey dey down. And if una don touch am, e go change from red to green. Now una mean say una don subscribe. So as una subscribe, so that this one go dey give me energy to take dey do more videos. So that anytime wey I upload more video, una dey see the alert for una phone. So the matter wey I bring come for una today be say na dem dey call political asylum. So the reason why I bring this matter be say I know say many of us still dey get problem for this area. Now I say make I come see try make I come clear the air. So wetin be this political asylum? Political asylum be say your country wey you for come no fit grant you protection. That means dem no fit protect you say when you dey wahala. So now you run comot go other country make dem come grant you this your protection. So this one now be the political asylum. So when you come go other country, and if that country come tell you say make you come, they will accept you. Now you be mean say you be refugee for that country where you for come. So now be political asylum. So wetin be the thing wey we need before we fit apply for this political asylum? The thing wey you just need be say na to know the reason wetin make you comot for your country, and one of the reason wey go make you comot for country wey go make dem come grant you internationally. So because the law wey still guide international protection, e mean say if anybody wey no get race problem, e no get religion problem, e no get wetin dem call am, e no get any political opinion problem, or e no get any problem like maybe nationality, or e no belongs to any social group wey come cause problem wey go make am run comot for a country. So and before you run for your country, you make sure say you don first ask for protection, and dem no fit protect you by any other means. Na make you run comot make dem no go kill you. So if you dey this kind palava, and na make you comot for your country. So if you get story wey relate to this area, so and you go country and dem come tell you say wetin drive you comot for your country, you must make sure make you fit explain things to them, the way the thing take happen. So if you do all this one, you fit apply for political asylum. But if you dey my country where I for dey talk, so which is Italy, so if you ask for political asylum, if dem no fit accept you under the political asylum, dem come get other smaller one, which is subsidiary and humanitarian. So now dem come change to special case. So dem fit still check other area whether this person dem fit still accept am for other area. But I'll do video concerning that one. So this one wey I wan just do, so I no wan make I go too far. Na political asylum now I wan talk on. So if you don know say your story wey make you comot for house e relate to this area, so you fit ask for political asylum. But if I wan ask for this political asylum, how I go fit take ask for political asylum? First thing, the money na free. Na you fit take ask for political asylum. And if you ask for this political asylum, if you come for any country wey you dey, whether na air you take come or you just land through river, if na air you take come, you fit ask for police border for checking point. You fit answer up say you wan ask for political asylum. But if na river you fit come, you fit still ask for political asylum for the rescue team. If dem come, you fit tell dem say you wan see answer. But if you just free, you just dey free for street, say nobody don know say you even land this country, you fit still ask political asylum for police station. This one so na free of charge. Dem no dey carry you go as say you wan ask political asylum. But make sure say you know the story wey you wan talk if you reach any of this political asylum place wey I don mention so far. So if you no see understand how you fit write the language, if you dey live for Italy where I dey, so you fit still ask people wey go understand the language, or you fit tell dem, there fit be somebody wey go come still translate for you, go help you write the story for down. Then if you write the story for down, then another group of people still dey wey dey government wey go interview you, whether to know say this story wey you wan talk so na true. Na dem dey call commission people. So those commission people go fit still ask you whether this story na true. Before dis commission people go ask this story whether this story na true, I wan make I first give some lights to some other areas like Dublin law. Dublin law na law wey be say na where you for enter any country for Europe, because na European law. Is na European legislative law say any country wey you enter first, na there you suppose to first ask for political asylum. But if you come reach that country, if they put your hand down, that means you don enter that country. But if they no put your hand down, that means you never enter that country. So you no get any proof wey you go talk say you pass that country come. So you fit ask for any other country. But if they use visa come or you follow river come, they don put your hand down, that means say you don enter that country, you must ask political asylum for that country. But if you come go that country, before another country go fit accept you, like Italy now, if you pass through Italy, come go another country, before another country go fit ask you, dem must ask Italy for law, say ask dem say permit, say abeg o, this person na una side dey pass come, if e reach my country, mo we accept am for that side. If Italy say no, mo na bring am back, or carry you come back. So Italy go come continue your aduro process. So if you still tell dem say no, I no wan go back, the reason why I go that side say my country people, my pikin dey there, my husband or my wife dey there, or any other of your family member wey get European passport dey that area, you must tell the authority say na im make you go there. So from there, they'll still tell you wetin you go fit do. But if any of this one no dey there, make sure say you stay for this place where you just enter, make you follow the law one after the other. So if you don't understand this Dublin law, the reason why how this Dublin law dey work, say as you don enter, from there now you will see talk your story. So if you dey fill your story, if you dey tell them say wetin make you come, as dem dey fill the form wey dem dey call C3 for here for Italy, if you dey fill the form, they'll ask you different questions. How wetin be your partner, how you take come, you take get different money, the city where you first pass. So they'll ask you different questions wey for that form. So make sure say you tell them everything the way it happen. Make sure say you still tell them about your personal data, because most people dey make mistake say they'll first do Pale before, which is passport. They'll first do for Bongo before they come. At the end of the day now, they'll come reach here now, they'll come change name, or they'll say if they increase age, now it go make them accept their asylum, or they'll reduce age, now it go make them get paper, or one thing or the other. So those things not really matter. Not be whether you reduce age or increase age, not be that they answer you. Now about your story, how you fit write your story, or how you fit present your story, how you fit defend am for commission. If your story is strong well, everything really happen to you the way you talk am, and you go commission, you no go talk, they no answer you. And many people say they talk and they go say you fit your ask for political asylum. At the end of the day, you no go commission, or you give you paper. Now allow, no be so e be at all. Everybody wey ask for political asylum, you must go commission. That one na under months. If you no go commission, your paper go dey there, they renew am. If you dey Italy, 3 months, 6 months, as the case may be. So if you no go commission, they no renew am. So if you go commission, say commission come say they no accept your story, e no mean say na so the matter just finish. But you still get court wey go see come look into your story. But if court come look into your story, they fit come tell you say okay, because court and commission are two different bodies. So if court come say okay, commission still get right to still take court say wetin this person talk, so they no still agree, they'll still go another second court. See, if that second court come talk say they confirm wetin the court talk, that means you don already get paper be that. So na court na paper dey reach, at the end of the day must surely release am. So that one na for that. If they don't grant you paper, they'll give you, if they give you UN, which is the one they call asylum or asilo if you dey Italy, you get different benefit. The benefit wey dey there be say you will get 5 years document, then they renew and they go. So every five years you go dey renew am with titolo di viaggio if you dey Italy or UN passport, they'll still give you. So that 5 years wey they renew, so without document you fit go anywhere, but you no fit go your own country. Many people still dey make this mistake. After they don give the paper, they'll just go their own country. You no fit fly your own country direct. You understand? Na im mean. The day wey you dey fly your own country direct, na that day you dey tell them say your problem don finish. So as you dey come back, you collect their document for your hand. So the person will no come get document again. So more I not make that mistake. Oh, na make me dey inform una down again. You understand? Then another benefit wey still dey be say, if you don get 5 years and you dey work for this country wey if na Italy you dey, if you work for 5 years and with resident, you fit apply for passport. And if you apply for passport, so after 5 years resident, that means you've already reduced, instead of spending 10 years resident normally, so your own, if you na UN, na 5 years you will spend before you apply for passport. So I'll still do video on how to apply for passport. So now say me I stop for there. But if you no dey work, you no fit apply for passport. But if you still bring any of your family come, you no need to demonstrate say you get house or you dey work. So if you get UN, those one are still another benefit wey still dey. And if you be like say, if you be UN again, you are like a second class citizen. That means say na wetin Italian people fit do, na you fit still do. Like this social assistance or sanitary assistance, mean say hospital or social assistance, they will do am for you free. So all this one are the little benefit wey still dey attached to as asilo politico. So if you still get any other thing wey you want me I still talk, una drop una comment for below. Una not forget to subscribe. I still remain Anthony, your first aid immigrant solution. The reason why they name this story so for Pidgin English say I want me a lot of people may they change their attitude where they get. Some of them where they don't know how to go about, they don't know the person to ask questions. Now make me drop this video for Pidgin English. Una do. Bye bye.